Welcome to Caribbean Youth Plus magazine, a unique social magazine for all ages and all backgrounds. Something for everyone. This is a brief introduction of the special features, bringing Caribbean to the world and the world to the Caribbean. Just like you, we are waiting for this COVID to be over so that we can get back to normal life. We hope you will find our newly updated website helpful. Those who are new visitors, we encourage thoroughly reviewing all parts of the website. We are sure there is something there for you. In this brief introduction to the Special Features edition under World Matters section, each issue will cover every aspect of Caribbean history and world history in easy-to-understand articles for all. World history is a multifaceted discipline that will increase your cultural awareness and moral understanding of the world we live in. Build your knowledge in easy-to-understand articles with facts, figures for all ages and background. Discover the roots and get knowledge on the migration around world. We feature latest findings and fascinating archaeological discoveries, whether it is oldest civilization or unravel mysteries that are buried in the ground. Maybe treasures in the seas. Get bird's-eye view to solve the historical facts. History and development of languages around the world from Aramaic to Swahili. Find out about ancient innovations still used today or some products that can be traced to ancient invention. And we review some historical theories believed today however need revision. Throughout history people have migrated for a better life. Caribbean Youth Plus magazine focuses on explorers and conquerors that made the changes we see today. Trading conflicts, battles and wars will be discussed. Not to mention the freedom fighters from Scotland and India to Caribbean islands. In a nutshell, learn how past societies, systems, ideologies, governments, cultures and technologies were built, how they operated, and how they have changed. Caribbean Youth Plus magazine brings historians, scholars, teachers and contributors expertise in exciting, easy-to-comprehend articles and much more.
In this brief introductory Caribbean Youth Plus magazine special features in World Matters section. Black history starting from the roots to the migration and slavery. Each issue will cover all aspects, every angle. Learn about powerful queens that ruled Africa. Study the history of kings and rulers that protected its nation. Caribbean Youth Plus magazine highlights Black history seldom talked about. See the rich African artifacts that indicates a strong nation in museums today. Understand the divisions of a great land. Discover princess and empress that ruled solely and fought single-handed protecting their people and territories. Uncover outside invasion plans that were thwarted. Each battle and conflicts will be highlighted. Understand Atlantic and transatlantic slave trade, and the Euro-American transportation by traders. Review how victims were traded and the trauma, abuse, punishment they suffered. Slaves were bought by ships to America and South America, then sold only for hard labor, and those who rebelled were punished. Black history section features stories of the daring escapes to freedom, their struggle and how some escaped while others survived the slave era. Read about poems and literature describing the hard times. Hear the songs sung in hope for freedom and liberation. Read about the authors describing this history. Black migration and settlement in Europe and England will be covered. Well-known and famous activists, lawyers, writers and their struggle to adapt to new society. Civil rights groups and uprising to fight for equality and fairness will be addressed. Entertainers, actors, inventors and successful business people that survived during uprising will be brought forth. Caribbean Youth Plus magazine will bring you easy-to-comprehend articles and facts on Black history. We believe this essential history is often ignored around the world. Our staff members from various countries bring you inspiring stories, complete with facts and figures. There is much more to come in each issue.
Environment issues are a major concern as our planet Earth is being depleted and destroyed at an alarming level. Learn as we cover all aspects or pollution of land, sea and air. Share expertise on preservation and prevention for a better, safe planet. In this brief introductory we explore all angles. Land pollution mostly by plastic and other chemicals that we should be aware of. We cover deforestation for various reasons including devastating wildfires and insects that destroy hectares of trees. We look at the cause and effect and solutions. Discover effective greenbelts including world tree planting and seeding programs adopted by many countries. We uncover eco-friendly biodegradable products. Countless pollutants are choking the oceans of their life. This includes oil spills. Learn about overfishing and get knowledge on illegal whale hunting. Fish depends on the sea, vice versa. Understand how small molecules remain polluting the seas. Discover depleting natural fresh water resources. Share about groups cleaning the oceans, others protecting the whales. Uncover solutions to clean healthy water for all life forms. Around the world, air is polluted mostly by releasing harmful chemicals into the atmosphere. Natural disaster plays a lesser part. We highlight each cause of air pollution including harmful chemtrails. Understand how the ozone layer is being destroyed. Learn how each particle affects not only our body but contaminate the soil. Get knowledge on how we can combat pollution inside and outside our homes for a healthy planet with clean oxygen. Explore various radiation polluting the Earth. Understand how wireless signal work affects your health. We discuss noise pollution, which is extremely harmful on our mental health, including animals. Every issue will uncover pollutants seldom talked about. With rise of pollutants around the world comes solutions we need to know. Discover ordinary heroes that have made the impossible to possible. Caribbean Youth Plus magazine will highlight well-known environment hero to ordinary persons making a positive impact on the land, sea and air. We these honor and dedicate whole section to these persons, and yes, you could be the next one. Environment section will look at many types of solutions from recycle to biodegradable products and solutions. From eco-friendly to environment-safe services. We all need to take action and you must do your part. This Earth is only planet we have. We look forward to your contribution to a better, healthy Earth for all.
In this brief introductory to the special features under Animal Matters section, we highlight the importance of animals in the land, sea and air and their beneficial to this planet Earth. Understanding evolution is essential and animals play a key role to existence. Caribbean Youth Plus magazine will feature animal discovery from the earliest, get to how humans are linked to certain species, the genes we share and the DNA, and much more. The fish depend on the sea and vice versa. We unravel mysteries of the sea creatures from those that have disappeared and the ones that have become extinct. Every issue educates on correct fishing nets and the dangers of overfishing. Learn how sea creatures adapt to environment changes. Birds and bees play an important role in the ecological development of this planet. Know how animals in the air navigate and survive in different countries. From the cold North Pole to the sunny warm Caribbean, birds are unique and we feature undiscovered species from Mauritius to Mediterranean. Caribbean Youth Plus magazine believes all animals of land, sea and air have intelligence and we review each one. How each one adapts and develops. Their existence on this planet are crucial. Taking them from their wildlife and factory farming can have negative effects. Learn how their living skills will be diminished. Last but not least, Caribbean Youth Plus magazine stands with the freedom of animals of the land, sea and air. Understand the torture, abuse, pain experienced in circus, experimental labs and zoo. See how animals are hurt just to keep us entertained, from captured wild bears to elephants. We fight against cruelty to all animals.